Hi, I'm Dan Dumont with Migis Hotel Group in Black Point Inn in Scarborough, Maine. Today we're going to do a potato pancake with maple crème fraîche, smoked trout, caviar, and pickled wild blueberries. Now we're going to do the crème fraîche. We're going to mill the potatoes. 9 ounces of potato. Incorporate the flour. 1 egg yolk. Add a little oil to your pan. Portion the pancake batter. And these are going to be bite-sized, so they're more of an hors d'oeuvre size, like making pancakes at home. So now we're going to do the pickling brine for the blueberries. Start with red wine vinegar, brown sugar this time of year, star anise, a little black pepper to give it some spice, wild blueberry pancakes.